As we enter into a new year, 2024, I would like to read a passage, Philippians 4, 5, 6, 7, and 11.
Be the glory for the things he has done.
Let your moderation be known unto all men. The Lord is at hand. Be careful for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving let your requests be made known unto God. And the peace of God, which passeth all understanding, shall keep your hearts and minds through Christ Jesus. Not that I speak in respect of one, for I have learned, in whatsoever state I am, therewith to be content. Happy New Year from Turnpike Plaza 365, Rec Squad.